Okay, we're making this keto bread this morning. My recipe is disgusting because I've used it a million times, so don't look at the paper. So into my stand mixer, you don't have to use a stand mixer. You can just put this in a bowl and use a fork. You don't even have to have any kind of mixer. Okay, so, and I'm going to post a link to this. This recipe is from the dietdoctor.com. And into my mixing bowl, I have 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 5 tablespoons of ground psyllium husk powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of sea salt, and then I mix it up really well. Okay, and then in a pan on the stove, I am heating up 1 cup of water to boiling, and then I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna add to it 3 egg whites and 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and mix it into the powder. Okay, so I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. These are my pans I'm using. This is a pan I got off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. And it's to like make hamburger buns, which I don't put a hamburger on it. I just rather not have bread. But you totally can. And this, I'm going to try for the first time. This is a pan to make a hot dog bun. It's grilling season. So, yeah. I want to show you a great life hack. I bought these jars and all of my ingredients, I started putting them in here. It's so much cuter, and plus it's just easier to find things instead of a million bags shoved up into my cupboards. These are the eggs I use, and then this is the apple cider vinegar. Bragg's with the mother in it. Okay, so I just poured my hot ingredients in there, and then I'm going to turn on my mixer, and this texture is going to turn to Play-Doh. Like, and you'll have to stop and scrape your sides. You can do this with a fork. It's just as easy. I'm just feeling lazy today. And for video purposes, this is easier to make. Okay, you will know that, like, you can't even push your spoon through there if you tried. And it all kind of comes together and forms a ball. Now, you don't have to work fast with this or anything. You can let it cool so it's easier to touch. And then you just divide it up into your pans. So I'll show you that next. Okay, so I've separated them into like 6, tried to make them equal parts. I think next time I might use my food scale to measure them. And then I'm just going to put them in my pans. Okay, so I tried to fill out this hot dog bun pan. I'm not even sure if I've done this right, but, and then I started thinking about this. I like this bread better toasted, but you could toast this in your toaster oven before putting whatever you're going to put in it. Okay, so here they are in the pans, and then I'm going to put this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. And they say to kind of tap on your bread and it'll sound hollow when it's done. I found it's really hard to overcook this bread. It gets kind of crusty on the outside, which is kind of good. And yeah, so we'll put this in the oven and we'll watch it cook. This is a seasoning. It's only $2 at Trader Joe's. Everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend with sea salt, garlic, and onion. This is really good if you want to sprinkle this on it before you put it in the oven. Okay, here they are after 60 minutes. You can kind of tap on them and they sound hollow. And here is the hot dog one. The next few pictures I'm going to insert are pictures I've taken of my food previously when I made these before. Like, I toast them up ahead of time and take them when I go out to eat, like if I want to eat a hamburger. And the other thing, a picture I made, I kind of made like a taco boat out of it with, you know, ground beef and cheese and sour cream, that kind of thing. All right, guys, stay tuned for those pictures, and thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this, and have a good day.